Hi everyone. Nowadays there is a lot of confusion between white fungus, black fungus, yellow fungus. Actually these diseases are not new. These diseases were present before of COVID-19. These fungi come in category of opportunistic infections. So how these fungi get opportunities? Let's talk about that. There are four reasons. First, if you are an immunocompromised or immunocompetent patient and you have a weak immune system. The second is overuse of steroids. The third one is if you are a diabetic patient, and the fourth is if you are taking any chemotherapy treatment, which is generally used in cancer treatment. Now we will talk about its mode of transmission. The first is air. If fungi enters in your body through your nostrils or mouth, then they can affect your lungs. Second is taking food, and third is if there is any open wound on your body, then fungi can enter through that wound. Now you may be curious about what is the colors. Why are we giving them different colors? It's nothing but the symptoms they are creating. First is black fungus. Why we are calling them black? Actually this particular fungus don't have black color. This fungus infect in your eye area or in your sinus, so the blood circulation get restricted and it reflect a black color, so we call it black fungus. Second is white fungus. White fungus infect your tongue or oral cavity and it makes white patches on your tongue, so it is called white fungus. And the third one is yellow. Yellow fungus make pus cells in our body. These color yellow, so we call it yellow fungus. So the reason behind color is the symptoms, not the particular color the fungus has. Now talk about the treatment part. The first treatment is prevention. You have to keep your environment very clean and very hygienic. Antifungal medicines are available which doctors are giving, but they are also in scarcity. And if you want to protect yourself from all kind of fungus, then make your environment very clean, because fungus grows on damp, moist and a humid environment. Second treatment is surgery, but this happen in very severe cases, like you have a complete infected eye or infected jaw or a complete particular infected area, so doctor have to remove that part surgically. But we have not to reach there. This happens in very later cases. And most important, if you are a diabetic patient, then follow your diet very strictly nowadays. And if you are on steroid, then ask your doctor, is there really any need of these steroids which we are taking? One more thing, if you are doing steam inhalation or nebulization may be very required in certain cases, so keep in mind the water and the container of nebulizer should be very clean. So spread out this knowledge, be healthy, make healthy. And one more thing, someone asked me why I am using earbud like a mic. So there is a lockdown, I can't purchase new mic, so I am using this earbud as a mic. Thank you so much.